for coming. Welcome to Homebrew.
I'm the founder of EchoHer. I started EchoHer in 2023 with just the lunch for all the women founders. And the reason I'm doing that is because I was doing my own startup and I don't know where to find investors. I don't even know where's the women founders.
There are some challenges. It's not like, oh, just make yourself a SaaS company and that's it.
Right, so to be willing to change course sometimes and to iterate and pivot and not to be too married to the initial ideas.
Sometimes I'm like, am I crazy? And I know you need to be a little crazy, and so that's kind of like that back and forth volley is one of the things I'm craving right now.
A very important thing is that these people, they really know what they're doing. So they know what they're good at and they know what they are not good at.